We'll put this aside and we'll get back to this because now I'm gonna show you how to make the big bow right on top.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Chelan, Fembam NY, and for today's video, we're gonna make a centerpiece and our centerpiece, and I have a helper here. And this is Carson. Say hi. So anyway, for today's materials, we have chrome balloons here, 5 inches. We have 260Qs chrome balloon, silver and mauve. It's a mauve. And we have bubble. It's a clear, transparent bubble balloon. We have some glitter. Display our balloons here, 5 inches. So it doesn't have to be exact size, so I just want to make sure it's nice and round. No particular size for this project. We also need a stand for this project. This is a centerpiece balloon with a stand. So I'll start off with this two right here. Again, you twist it on the pole right here. Just like that. It's so easy. Then I have some 260Q pre-pumped earlier. So the same way, you just have to make sure that you don't inflate all the way. I attach this here. I need 4 of this 260Q attached together. So I'll put it in between here. This one here as well. Between. Then same way. So now you just have to twist. You just have to swirl it like that. What you did on the bottom. So guys, we'll put this on the side because for now we will inflate the transparent bubble balloon. This time we will inflate this. Now we have the transparent bubble balloon. So as per package, per instruction, you have to stretch this. So at first it's kind of hard. Just stretch it this way. This. See how it wrinkled? That's how it's supposed to look. And then you're supposed to inflate this. Release the air again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some 5 inches in your transparent balloon. again, I will cut the tip here. There's your first balloon. I'll add some more air. So there's 3 in here. So twist the bottom here. I'll use the 260Q, is the one we used earlier. Now we'll attach this to our base here. So I'll put it down so you guys can see it's not so high for me as well. So using the string or the 260Q, the excess here, that's what I'm going to use it to tie it with. Now I can attach this here or even this color, so it's really up to you what color you want it. And that way this is like nice and straight. So now we're ready to put this flower. This is a pre-made flower, and if you want to see how I made this, I can make a separate video, or actually we have some video on this if you are new to our channel, like that yellow on the wall. You can check that out. And basically the difference with this, I added the glitter and this thing on the center. So I'll put this here using a blue dots, balloon blue dots. Again, this one is also pre-made. I'll attach this anywhere. This aside, and we'll get back to this because now I'm gonna show you how to make the big bow right on top. Okay guys, so now this is gonna be the bow on top. I'm gonna show you how I make this, okay? So basically I made pre-made the other half, and now I'm gonna continue making the other side here. So just like what you see here is silver and this color, then followed by 2 mauve color balloons that eventually will be in the middle. You tie this all together. So this is twist. So I twist 2 on this side, then go to your silver, twist the same thing. 1, 2. The other one just twist. So now that you have 2 on each color, I twist them all together, just like that, and then continue. 1, 2. Same thing on the other color. So just repeat the process until you have about 10 quads. So guys, this is my very first time doing this, so I don't know how to make them all together like this. So what I did is like I drew this side and then the middle side and then the other side, and then what I did to connect them all together, I used the balloon glue dots. Okay, so it's right here. I will study this, and if I do know how to connect them all at once without using glue dots, I will make a blog and I will show it to you guys. Okay, so as I said, this is my very first time, so I will use glue dots to attach them all together. I'm gonna use this here.
Mana center, di ba?
Yeah, this is the center. So on here we use balloon glue dots to attach the big ribbon to the transparent bubble balloon. Go guys, hope you like this project. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.